Hi, welcome to Crazy Graphic Design. Today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install fonts for your pixellab editings and all kind of things you do in pixellab. So, as you can see right here, I have 100 plus of downloaded fonts on my phone right now. So, in a few minutes, I will show you how you can download them for free, download as much as you want, and then install them easily without wasting any time. So let's get going. So firstly, we need to download the fonts we want to use for our editing. So to download the fonts, go to your browser. You can use any of your browser. You can use Opera Mini, Chrome, Firefox, anyone you have. So in this video, I'll be making use of Chrome as my browser. So click on Chrome and then click on the search bar and then input the fonts.com. Actually, you can download fonts from several websites, but one of the most popular ones is fonts.com, and another one is 1001fonts.com. So you can use any of these websites to download your font, but in this video I'll be making use of fonts.com. Alright, so make sure your data is on in order to get this going. Alright, so here you can search by name right here. You can search by the name of the fonts you want to download. Maybe you know the name, so you can easily input them into this and then search on it. Or if you don't, you can actually choose from any of these depending on what you are using your font for. As you can see, you have cartoon fonts, comic fonts, and also Western, all these kind of fonts. You can actually click on them and then they will show you the list of fonts specifically made for this kind of topic. Let's take for instance, you're searching for Gotham fonts. Just have to type it in here, Gotham. So you search. Alright, so you can see Gotham, so just download one. So let's click on download. Right here, you've downloaded your font very easy. So what's left now is how to install them and use them in pixellab application. So before that, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the notification icon so you can get notified. The next step, you just have to head to your file explorer or file manager. So here I have my file explorer, so I can just click on zips where all my zip fonts are stored, or in case you don't have zips on your phone, which I'm not sure of, you should have zips on your phone. Just click on zips, or you can go to download and search for the new font you downloaded. You can also follow these styles and then font storage. Then you go to download and then search for your font. So here, let me just use zips. So you can just see the new font we downloaded. So all you have to do is to click on it, and then below it you click extract. Then you'll be prompted to choose a folder, but normally what I do is to create a new folder for my fonts. So I will just click on this and create a new folder. I can name it fonts, or I name it pixellab fonts because I have a lot of apps here. Pixellab fonts. Very good. So just click OK. Alright, so you search on pixellab fonts. So here you have it. and then click on extract. So all done and successful. So after you have extracted your fonts, remember you can extract as much as you want. As far as your storage is enough, you can download and extract as much as you want to this same folder. So after doing all this, you just head to Pixellab, your application. You head to Pixellab. Yeah, head to Pixellab, and then get Pixellab. Then click on fonts. So you click on my fonts, and then you click on this small icon here to add your font. So you search for the folder Pixellab fonts. So where is it? Pixellab fonts. So here you have it, Pixellab font, and then click on that font, Usefull. So just click on this box and add selected. So everything is done, your font is ready. So you scroll down to the last. Here you can see it, Grotan. This is it. So here you have the fonts. Very